Y'all, we are on a quest for food. And honestly, we already found a spot right next to our hotel. So it might not take us that long. We're just walking a little bit more to see what all of our options are going to be. But the thing is, like, getting something that's kid friendly for Leo, that's another thing. Because Leo is saying he doesn't want ramen. I'm always down for ramen. So I'm going to eat ramen. If we're going to eat ramen, I'm going to eat that. But I kind of want to see if, like, the place that I went to last time, Newtons, I hope that she's open today. Because if she is, I'm going to get her. But as of now, the ramen spot that we saw was open. So we might have to go up in there. The hunt, okay? The hunt. Wait.
This? I don't have no moves. Mom knows my plans. They weren't froze. I weren't high.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor. Welcome to my visual diary. And we are still in Edinburgh, Scotland, and it is Christmas Day. I'm so pumped. So what we've been doing is we've been chilling in the room. As y'all saw, I was editing a little bit this morning. We had breakfast in our hotel, and then we went out and ventured out and got something to eat. Shockingly enough, there's plenty of places, because like with us, we didn't like book like a really big like nice dinner spot in advance. So like my hotel staff was concerned. They thought like nothing would be open for us. But honestly, if you don't have a reservation, I think you will be fine. Because, like, there's plenty of ramen spots open. They also have, like, little chain restaurants that are also open as well. They have, like, cafes. They had Chinese spots are open. Ramen spots are open. Indian spots are open. Lebanese, Turkish, Mediterranean. All of their restaurants and establishments are open. So there's plenty of food to get. And there's still, like, nice, like, places to go to. Leo's picky. And so I didn't want to venture too far away from like chicken, but we could have sat down in a really nice establishment that was like Turkish or Mediterranean, and we would have been completely fine. We ended up going to like this food spot called PePe's, and y'all, it slapped. And like I told y'all, what I've been doing recently is just letting the workers or the waiter staff let me know what to order. So I just had him make my order for me, and Leo, it was so good. We had, I had just chicken over rice with veggies, and Leo just had chicken wings, but Leo didn't eat his wings because they had sauce in them. So he was like, I'm afraid to eat that. So I have his wings literally in my purse to go. So we're going to eat that for a snack. If you're looking for something, it's kind of like Nando's, but more of a kick. Now we're just walking, making our little way. Like we're at this little open air area. I don't even know where we are. Like I just walked on a side street and we're in this big, huge park. I'm going to show it to y'all in a sec. And so we're just going to walk around that for a bit. Y'all know it gets dark super early in the UK, so we don't have that much daylight hours. Right now the time is like 3:25, and within an hour it's going to be sundown. It's going to be dark AF. So we're just walking around exploring, looking at the beautiful architecture, because this is our last day in Edinburgh. We leave and we go to another city tomorrow, so we're sad. But Edinburgh's been nothing but beautiful to us, and we've loved it. So let's get into the rest of that, and I'll show y'all what else we do for Christmas morning. Not morning, because it's not day. For Christmas Day. I think the thing that I like most about Edinburgh and just Europe in general is the walkability. Like, unless you're in New York City, back at home, we just don't have this. And the space is just so green, and I'm able to just walk with my son and play with him at a park after eating and not be that far from my hotel or like where exactly I need to be. And I just find that so rewarding. One thing I think I'll never get used to is just the architecture of Edinburgh. Like, if you're looking for like a culture shock and just a new experience or vibe, Edinburgh just always feels so foreign to Americans. I was craving coffee real bad, like real bad. So I ended up stumbling into this mom and pop shop that was super intimate. Like I truly felt like I was in my grandmother's living room. Leo loves my auto detect, so daily dose of Leo playing with my auto detect. When we were there, we ended up getting, I got a latte and they got Leo a hot chocolate. The workers, they were so kind to us. They asked us how we were doing, what part of the States we were from. They even asked like how my vlog was doing because they saw my camera. And I love when people ask about my vlog and engage with it. It makes it so less awkward and just makes it easier for me to film. And it just felt so great to have like people talking to us and chatting with us on Christmas because it felt like, like I'm in like my family's home and a little less alone. So that was just a really great day. Hey guys, we have made it back to our hotel for the night. We have showered, I've done my skincare. Christmas today was amazing. This is my first Christmas ever being away from home. I'm not gonna lie, like I am such a big baby. I'm so like I literally wear my heart on my sleeve. Like that is like my biggest strength. And I feel sometimes my biggest weakness. This is my first Christmas ever away from my parents, and I was a little nervous on how it would be being away from home for the very first time. And I honestly could not have picked, literally, God honestly could not have given me a better place to spend my first Christmas away because it literally feels like I'm at home. Like I literally feel, I know I said this in a couple of vlogs, but I literally feel like I am at home. Just starting off with like, so like when we woke up this morning, our hotel, like that's how we ate. We had breakfast at our hotel. And then they came in and did their rounds to help like clean our bathrooms and all that. But we were still inside, so I didn't really need them to clean the room, but they still came. The ladies that came, like the housekeepers, they were like, oh my gosh, you guys are still here. They were like, is there anything you need? And y'all know I love European water. Look how much water they gave me. Like, and I've already drank some of it. Like, it's still going. Still going. Still going. Like, do you see all that? They were like, do you need water? I was like, yeah. Because like everything is like kind of like closed for Christmas. They wanted to make sure that if we did stay inside, like I wouldn't need anything. And so they brought me all this water. Look at all of the biscuits they got me. Biscuits are just cookies, like for my American followers. But look at all the biscuits. And I don't even have all of them in my hand. But they were like, do you want some biscuits? I was like, yeah. And they gave me all of these. And then I was like, can I have some coffee? And they were like, sure. And so they gave me like so much instant coffee. So that way, like, if I didn't leave, like, I have more than enough. And I'm actually going to take like the coffee with me because we're staying in an Airbnb in London. That way I don't really have to get anything. And I'm also going to take all these waters too. The people at the restaurants were so nice. Like, even at the restaurant. So after we ate, we walked around a bit. I took Leo to the park. And then I wanted some coffee because I hadn't had any for the day. And we went to this super cute spot. Y'all saw it. It was so like intimate, and I like girly, like I like flowers, I like pink. And so that automatically, y'all know, that drew me in because come on now. And the people were just super nice. They asked us where we were from, what part of America we came from, how long were we going to be in Scotland. And they also gave us extra biscuits. Like, I didn't order biscuits. I just ordered a latte, and I ordered Leo a hot chocolate, and they gave us two biscuits with it. And so that was super nice. On our way home, we stopped at a convenience store. I got Leo some more candy, and they asked me. The lady was like, "I just love your accent," and I'm just like, "Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. Like, thank you, because I love your accent, But thank you." And so it's just been such a beautiful day. Like, honestly, and I think also like just full circle moment. This is the first Christmas where I haven't gotten any gifts. And I've gotten gifts from people, but as of now, I haven't received any gifts. It's just crazy to me because I remember like when I was younger, people always say Jesus is the reason for the season, but like no, like Jesus really is the reason for the season. And it's crazy how much I've grown as a person to where I am content without the material things. And don't get me wrong, I love a nice, y'all see I go to Zara and H&M and almost every vlog in Europe. Okay, so let's be for real. So don't get me wrong, I love a good like piece of material. It's just like ever since my fire, like I'm just literally thinking about like my mental state last year. My mental state last year, like even if I read my journals, it's so hard for me to read my journals from like November of last year to April of this year. My journals are so dark, like so dark. I just want to take a moment to like thank God, and like if anybody is on here struggling, if you watch any of my life updates from that time, it just was a very chaotic, crazy experience. And now like everything is like just my life has just turned around and been so much better. It really reshaped everything and like my whole perspective on life, and like the way that like I even look at the holidays now. Like I really look at it as like love and literally giving Christmas joy, Christmas spirit, letting God lead you. So many of these things, like, and just being closer to God, honestly. Like, it's been, y'all, I'm telling you, last year, oh, just go back. If you don't believe me, go back and look at my life updates. Like, it just was wild. Even my life update the last time I was in Edinburgh. I did a life update in Edinburgh, and I feel like Edinburgh really gave me so much life. It's just like a crazy full circle moment, and I'm just so grateful to God and what He's taken me through. And I'm glad that I can show that it got better, and I'm glad that you guys were here to see that. And I just love, 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 love the people of Scotland. You guys are literally walking angels upon the earth. Thank you so much for accepting me, loving me, and making me feel like a whole person. Like for me, and like how divisive my country is right now, it's just literally, it's so refreshing to have so much love just for existing, you know? And my little family appreciates it. And I love you guys so much. I will be back. Like literally, I'll be back next year. Literally, can't get enough of you guys. And so, and I'm not even leaving. Like I'm still gonna be in Scotland. I still have 2 more days here, but I will be leaving Edinburgh tomorrow, which makes me very sad. Never enough time. Okay, it's never enough time here. Like off of my emotional soapbox. For the rest of the night, I'm gonna edit, and we're probably gonna watch a Christmas movie. I'll probably make some of my decaf coffee because they generously gave me so much, and read to Leo. I'll probably read a book and call it a night because we have to get to our next destination pretty early. And so I'll check in with y'all a bit later when we're getting more settled. I hope it's open because I love her. She's so nice. Okay, if the you gotta pull it this way. Ready? Whoever wins. Pull. Ah!
This is a joke.
You won again. Remember, you have to open it. Bring it over here so you see. Fact or fiction? The world's tallest Christmas tree is 221 feet high in a Washington shopping mall in 1950. Is that fact or fiction? Or true or false?
A fact.
Oh, you're right. Did you read it already?
No.
How many ghosts show up in A Christmas Carol? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
3.
It's 4. It's the spirits of Christmas past, present, future, and Jacob Marley. What am I? Everyone knows that you need to leave Santa a treat, and we are what you leave him on Christmas Eve to eat. What am I?
A milk cookie.
Yay! Give me a... You did it. So it is so much later, like mad late. I think it's... What time, Olivia?
It's 12:49.
It is 12:49 a.m. So I told y'all we are super jet lagged. That's why we're up always super late every night. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this vlog up now because me and Leo have to... I finished packing and did everything, and I was up late because I was editing, and then we did step out again to get food. So we did a little bit of unexpected things, but I just want to say good night to you guys and Merry Christmas again. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Edinburgh was amazing. I'm so sad we're leaving, but we will definitely be back. But I'm going to go ahead and get up here. Okay, guys? So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Push notifications so we get to 1,000. As always, Travel Fun is linked in the description if you want to support me directly. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Mwah.